Lesson 2. Essential question. What are some animal life cycles? Engage your brain. Find the answer to the following question in this lesson and record it here. Why does this young koala look similar to its mother? Active reading. Lesson vocabulary. List the terms. As you learn about each one, make notes in the interactive glossary. Sequence. Many ideas in this lesson are connected by a sequence or order that describes the steps in a process. Active readers stay focused on sequence when they mark the transition from one step in a process to another. Life cycles. Robins hatch from eggs. Dogs give birth to live puppies. What do dogs and robins have in common? Active reading. As you read these 2 pages, circle words that show differences between animal life cycles. Most animals have male and female parents, but not all animals reproduce or have young in the same way. Birds and some fish, reptiles, and amphibians lay eggs. Other animals, such as mammals, give birth to live young. These early stages are part of each animal's life cycle. Newborn lynx. A mother lynx gives birth to live cubs. There can be 1 to 4 cubs in a litter. Ostrich egg. The ostrich is the largest bird. It's not surprising that ostriches lay very large eggs. Horses are mammals and give birth to live young. Mothers stay with their foals and feed them milk for 4 to 6 months. This foal looks like its mother, only smaller. Lynx cub. A young lynx grows up in the protection of its mother. A young lynx looks much like its parents, only smaller. Adult lynx. A young lynx grows into an adult and finds a mate. The 2 adult lynxes reproduce. Newborn lynx. The cycle begins again with a new litter of lynx cubs. Ostrich chick. An ostrich chick depends on its mother to bring it food. Adult ostrich. All grown up, an adult female can find a mate and reproduce. What's next? Draw the next stage in the ostrich life cycle. Frog life cycle. A frog is sitting beside a pond, croaking loudly. How did it get there? How has it changed? Active reading. As you read these 2 pages, circle words that name stages in the frog's life cycle. Early in the spring, many frogs wake from hibernation and begin to croak. They are looking for mates. Before long, the pond's water is filled with eggs. Look closely at the photo of a clump of frog eggs. You will see tiny black specks. One day, each speck will grow into a frog as big and green as the one on this page. As a frog develops, its entire appearance changes. Metamorphosis is a major change in the body form of an animal during its life cycle. Leopard frog. The leopard frog goes through a series of changes after it hatches as a tadpole. Egg mass. Frog eggs are found all stuck together. They look like a cloud of eggs. They are usually in the water of a pond or marsh. Tadpole. A tadpole is an immature frog that must live in the water. It hatches from an egg. It has gills and a long tail. It breathes and swims like a fish. It looks very different from its parents. After about 5 weeks, the tadpole starts to change. Tiny buds beside the tadpole's tail grow into little hind legs. Still a tadpole, this young frog has 4 legs. Its tail will soon disappear. Its lungs are almost completely developed. Adult frog. This frog has fully developed legs and lungs. There are no gills and no tail. It's an adult. Life cycles. How is the life cycle of a frog different from the life cycle of an ostrich?